We're here today to celebrate this beautiful, iconic work at our airport.
EXO lovingly welcomes the world to San Jose.
When I put this up 2 months ago, I realized that the airport was the one place that people kiss and hug the most.
This is a great way to welcome people to our city as they arrive and to wish our residents safe travels as they head out.
All my words, when they're 12 feet tall, they're always positive words. You have no choice but to read them. So as people are driving in, they're reading it, even if their consciousness doesn't know, their unconsciousness reads XO, and they automatically give themselves a kiss and a hug, and then they automatically have a safe travel.
I want to thank the airport and its team for their partnership to bring outstanding works of art to the community.
I want to take this moment to thank Mary Rubin from Cultural Affairs and the artist Laura Kimpton and Jeff Schomberg for taking an empty spot that our travelers normally just walk past and turning it into something memorable that really gets your attention.